talk about healthcare surrogates. A healthcare surrogate is someone who can make medical decisions for you, only if you're unable to make them for yourself. This could happen after something like a serious accident, a health event like a stroke, dementia, or cognitive decline. And here's the key point. A surrogate steps in only after a healthcare provider determines that you lack decision-making capacity. Now, if you've signed an advanced healthcare directive in Delaware and have named a healthcare agent, that's great. But that person is in charge. But if you haven't, Delaware law creates a default list of who can act as your surrogate. This list typically goes in this order: a spouse, adult children, parents, siblings, and in some cases, other relatives or cohabitants. It sounds reasonable, but here's where things can get complicated. What if you have multiple children who don't agree? Or what if you're estranged from a family member? The person at the top of the list doesn't really understand your wishes. In those situations, decisions can be delayed or even end up in conflict. And this is why planning ahead matters. When you create an advanced healthcare directive, you can choose the person you trust to make your medical decisions. You can give them clear instructions on what care you would and would not want. And you can name backups in case your first choice isn't available. You stay in control rather than leaving it up to a legal default system. A healthcare surrogate is a backup plan created by the law, but your own directive is a plan that you control. If you haven't named someone to make medical decisions for you, now's the time to think about it. Because in Delaware, if you don't choose, the law will choose for you. A simple document can make a difficult situation much clearer for your family and ensure your wishes are actually followed.